Good afternoon, YouTubers. This is Almond 626. And this is Josh snoring. As you can probably hear, he's pretty much out with his hand right there for some odd reason. Stretched out on the couch. Yep. And he's sweating, boy. He must be dreaming about some girls or something.
Have some pigs.
Bacon.
What's the bacon?
Yeah, boy, we can eat some bacon. Earth to Josh. Whoa.
I still don't think he knows. Yeah, please.
Yeah, please. What a beer.
He's awake now.
Yeah, he's awake now. He was snoring his ass off a while ago, boy. Yeah, buddy. Shit. That was in my butt.
Is he sweating?
Yeah, he's sweating.
Apparently it's hot in here.
Is it hot in here? It's hot in here.
Hey,
yeah,
love.
boy.
You miss me?
Nobody misses you.
Fuck you, bastard. You miss me?
Go ahead and give him a big kiss.
You gonna play with me?
Oh, damn.
Wait. Huh? You took a nap. Time to play.
This will definitely be continued.